Everybody, we are back with another one, but we got to start this the right way. Yes, for those of you guys that don't know, these are the goat shades, because every single thing I've told you in my last videos has played out perfectly, and a lot of people have made a lot of cheddar. And I got some important updates for you in this video that you're not going to want to miss. And make sure you stay right till the end, because I am saving the best till last. Right? So no skipping the video. Make sure you watch it to the end. Before I begin, over at the Discord / the Patreon, I told the guys about SOXL yesterday. An email from me hit their inbox with a play on SOXL. I entered into a bullish play on this one yesterday. You can see the result today. It is flying up 5% today. So make sure you guys are not missing out. Top link in that video description. All right, guys. Now you guys are here for one reason and one reason only, and that is to make some money. And that's exactly what I'm going to help you do in this video, right? So make sure you pay attention. Let's start with the triple Qs, the QQQ. Right now sitting at 368. Guys, remember last week when the markets were selling off hard? What did I say? I said to you guys, triple Qs is going to 370. It's making its way to 370, and that is the play. And there's going to be a hell of a lot of money for you to make on that ride, on that climb to 370. Now guys, we are arriving at that target price. You can see it's 368, but hear me out here. There is some more room to move to the upside to around that 372 level, okay? The triple Qs can move to 372, and then that 372, that is when we should be expecting some selling pressure from 372. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to take place, but something is going to happen to this at around that 372 level to create a sell-off. So if you took my advice and you have made phenomenal bread on this rise in the triple Qs, it is time for you to depart and time for you to secure and bank your cash and reposition into another trade. Because at 372, we should expect this to be selling off. Now here's the thing, if you want to take advantage of what I've just told you, you wouldn't use the triple Qs, you would use the TQQQ, okay? This is the triple Qs on steroids. You need to know this. This one needs to be on your watch list. You need to be tapped into the triple Qs. I've made a lot of money on the triple Qs, and I want you to make a lot of money with me on the triple Qs as well. The triple Qs is going to move in accordance with the triple Qs is going to move in accordance with the QQQ, just 3 times the movement, right? Because it moves 3 times the amount. There's a hell of a lot of bread to be made on this one. Now, triple Qs is sitting, the TQQQ is sitting at 39.63 right now at the time of this recording. It has the ability, and it should be moving to the 41.50 level. 41.50. At 41.50, we should expect some selling pressure. So this still has about 3% climb in it, okay? And there you can stand, when we get to that 40 to 41.50 level, we should expect some selling pressure to the downside for it to move below $40. Guys, this is the play, this is the move, this is your opportunity to make a lot of bread, okay? A lot of bread you should be making. And I want you guys in my next video or the one after that, when this plays out, I want to see you guys in the comment section going absolutely wild for me. All right, now that's the play on the triple Qs. Let's move to couple other plays, a few other gems that I've got for you guys. All right, let's go with Apple. Apple's a funny one because Apple goes through these phases where the market is like infatuated with it, and you see a rocket climb, and then everybody forgets about Apple. Here's the play. Right now, Apple's sitting at $180. It still has some room to climb with the Qs, because it's part of the Qs. It's the largest part of the Qs. So yes, the Qs climb. This will climb. You can get to about that 182 level. At 182, we should expect some selling pressure, some downward movement for people to exit their stock. Okay, so now you know in advance what to expect with Apple. Here's the thing, at the $167 level, there is a gap. Okay, that gap must be filled. So there's actually a fair bit of downside with Apple. Once it gets to that $182 level, we can see a lot of selling pressure. Doesn't mean it's going to go straight to the gap and fill the gap at 167, but that $167 gap will be filled. Obviously 167 is a fair distance away from where it's at right now, so that's a lot of money to be made on Apple. Now, as you guys know, there's several different moves you can make, right? You can, if you're going to take an aggressive trade, you can buy options. So there's the opportunity to buy puts. This is a fast-paced, accelerated type of trade. And I've given you the levels, I've given you the intel that you need. Now for a more moderate approach, you can use the stock or you can sell puts. Different strokes for different folks, people. Either way, there's no excuse for you not to be making money with the intel that I am providing you. Now guys, remember in the beginning of the video I said I'm going to leave the best till last. Check this out for me. Qualcomm currently is sitting at $110. This is a stock that is about to get absolutely blasted to oblivion. Currently is sitting at $110. This has the potential to get to around that $112 level, all right? Maybe we got a little bit more upside in the market, yes. But we have a very juicy gap down at $104 that must get filled. And this will get filled. And you will see an absolute desecration of this stock down to that $104 level. This is a stock that has not partaked in any type of momentum that we've seen this year. This is a play that has literally just been left by the wayside. And right now today we can see it's up 1.3% in accordance with the rest of the market. We know the market's strong. I told you the market was going to be strong, guys. Last week, I told you exactly what's going to play out, and we can see that all unfolding right now. But this is just moving in sympathy with the rest of the market. But I want you guys to know that this is about to see a big drop down to around the $104 level, and it can even go below that. Okay, this can go sub 100, but the first target is $104. This particular play is in 100% technical weakness. Okay, this is broken through key levels. This is not moving with the rest of the sector. This is a stock about to make a significant drop. It has room to get to $112. Let me reiterate that. But from there, we have a lot of downside to the $104 level. And that opens up the opportunity for you guys to make absolute bread on this play. Okay, so I want you guys to be making a lot of money on this one when you see this dropping lower. All right, guys, those are the plays, those are the levels, that's the intel I've got for you. Now, obviously, every single day, I'm posting in the Discord, in the stock channel, the levels, okay, market analysis, what the guys should be looking at, all right? Levels of interest, plays of interest before markets open up. So make sure you don't miss out on that as well. I'll catch you guys on the next one.